Yeah. The difference between the Pennask is that they jump and they fight, and the horsefly rainbow, they go straight down, no running, no nothing. Oh, think I got one. See? Yep, there you go. See that? That's a horsefly rainbow. Come on, make a liar out of me. Jump, dance, do something. Yeah, that's it. See that? That's it. Yeah, oh yeah, that's going to improve the fishing and get people to buy more license. Yeah. See the difference? That's it. That's the extent of the horsefly rainbow. Oh, they grow big too. Yeah. Might as well go cut a log, put it on a hook, and see what it feels like. Duh. Oh, good. That's the way it should be. Get the hell out of there. So as you can see, there's the difference between the Pennask and a stupid horsefly rainbow. Not worth that. This is a waste of time. No fighting. No coming out of the water. Oh yeah, but they get big. Who gives a crap? Put a round rock on the end of the line and it'd give me a little bit more of a challenge. That piece of garbage. I gotta get whoever decide to put horsefly rainbow in this lake. Maybe that's why they're only in Horsefly Lake, because even the other rainbows don't want them. Wish I could catch another Pennask. The few left in here. At least I had one. It's amazing the difference. But we used to be able to fish all these shoals, sight fishing. It was fantastic. And they put these horsefly rainbows in here, and look at the shoals. Empty. And you can go through the entire lake. And this is what the shoals look like now. Nothing. Can't sight fish at all. This is my fourth or fifth trip on this lake. Of course, I'm not going to name it. And not one fish on the shoals. Nothing. We used to come here and spend the whole day sight fishing and catching fish after fish. It was great. You see, there's nothing better than a trail to see the fish coming for your fly, and you see the take, and now that's it. This is the extent of excitement. The fish at the end of a line. No sight fishing possible whatsoever anymore. Brian Chan, at least when he was working, he understood the biology of the fish. You know, what to put into a lake, what would work. Now, I don't know who's in charge, but now they want to sell more license. We got to do something to bring more. And he got that bloody infatuation with big fish. Gotta be big fish, big fish, big fish. That's all everybody talking. Who cares? As long as you catch fish and you can sight fish or... But anyway, I think there was only 2 in this hole. They were just cousins. Anyway, raving for the day.